Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Her house always has a fresh and nice smell. People didn't know why. This is the secret. It often happens that houses have some odd or unpleasant smells. This may be due to pets, mold, and mildew. It can be quite embarrassing and unpleasant for the homeowners. What most people do to fight the smell is use an air freshener. The air fresheners are usually packed with chemicals and can be incredibly expensive. Fortunately, there is an amazing homemade solution which can make your home smell clean and fresh. A woman named Jen came up with a DIY air freshener which is simply amazing. This air freshener is inexpensive, affordable, and safe to use. This solution is quite easy to prepare and is very effective. You can use this homemade air freshener to spray your sofa, curtains, and carpets. Once you try this solution, you will no longer spend money on toxic fresheners with chemicals. Below you can see the recipe of this amazing solution. DIY air freshener recipe. Ingredients: 1/4 cup detergent spheres, 2 cups water, 4 tablespoons baking soda, a pot. Instructions: first, put the 1/4 soap spheres in one bucket and add the 4 tablespoons baking soda. Then, add 2 cups boiling water and mix well. The mixture will be dissolved after 30 minutes. Next, get a spray bottle and put this mix inside. You should use this mix to spray it on sofas, dressers, fabrics, drains, and carpets. Additional tips to make your house smell great: open a window and catch the breeze. Boil cinnamon, clean with fruit, such as lemon juice. Bake something, place a bouquet of flowers in the house, grind coffee, make herb sachets.